So now, how will the new Apple features be received by consumers? Earlier, I spoke to Burton Kelso. He's the chief technology expert at Integral. Let's have a listen. Burton, thank you for your time today, this afternoon. So let's talk about this Apple event. I think maybe the star of the show today for Apple was its new AI features. And as we all know now, Apple Intelligence is what it's called. So to start, what's your overall impression of its capabilities? Impressed or not?
I'm very impressed with the capabilities of Apple AI, or I shouldn't even call it AI, Apple Intelligence, because Apple is owning the AI title. They're like, well, we're just not artificial intelligence. This is Apple Intelligence. And I think it's what everyone has expected how artificial intelligence should work. You've got device integration. You've got security that's built in with Apple Intelligence. And you even have the ability to use ChatGPT if you want to. And I think these are the things that people have talked about when it comes to generative AI is it secure? Is my data going to be encrypted? And why can't it generate the content on my device as opposed to me relying on a server that's in the cloud, a server that can potentially be hacked into?
Okay, so among all the features, which one impressed the most? So we have image creation using AI. We have integrated AI features between apps. I mean, tell me about it. Which one impressed you the most?
I think the AI integration between apps and devices is what impressed me the most, because, I mean, you even have AI image generation with Meta AI. So, I mean, that's all across the board. But what we don't have is the ability that if I'm on my iPhone, then I can get that AI image, or not image, but I can get that AI result on another device. And I think the way that Siri reacts and the things that you can do with Siri with the Apple Intelligence it's really incredible. I think Apple's on top of their game again.
Apple Intelligence is able to summarize your messages, your text messages. If there's a lot of people commenting on one thing, it'll be able to summarize it for you. The question is, are you able to trust Apple Intelligence completely to summarize the key points for you when potentially sometimes the stakes are high if it summarizes incorrectly?
Well, I think with Apple's track record, I would trust them more than I would with other companies, because Apple is coming, well, I wouldn't say late to the game, but they had a late start just for the simple fact that they want to fine tune the things that are going to be in Apple Intelligence. So I think they've waited a while because they want to release a perfect product. And so anything that Apple does at this point, especially with Apple Intelligence, I'm game, because I think it's going to work well and it's going to enhance the lives of everyone out there.
Okay, what do you think about, more specifically, because you mentioned this, what do you think about ChatGPT integration?
I think ChatGPT integration is a smart move. It works well for ChatGPT because ChatGPT was starting to lose ground because other companies were moving ahead with their generative AI. You've got Google Gemini that's integrated into Android devices. You've got Microsoft Copilot that is integrated into Windows devices. So it was a smart move for Apple to include Apple Intelligence for their device use, but then also giving you access to ChatGPT, which is hands down probably one of the best generative AI chatbots out there.
Thank you so much for your insight today. Burton, thank you.
Thank you very much.